Let's look at this one. Aman invests 4,000 in a bank at a certain rate of interest compounded annually. If the ratio of the value of the investment after 3 years and the ratio of value of investment after 5 years is 25 is to 36. Now understand the same principal value is 4,000. After 3 years, the value is going to be 1 plus r by 100 to the power of 3, compounding annually, right? Now in the denominator, what will we get? 4,000 into 1 plus r by 100 to the power of 5. This is what is going to be. So 4,000 will get cancelled out, and 1 plus r by 100 to the power of 3 will get cancelled out, and you will get a 2 over here. Let me take 1 plus r by 100 as x. That makes my life a bit more easier. 1 by x square is turning out to be equals to 25 by 36. So 1 by x will turn out to be equals to 5 by 6. So x will turn out to be equals to 6 by 5. What was the value of x? The value of x was 1 plus r by 100. 1 plus r by 100 is turning out to be 6 by 5. Your value of r by 100 is turning out to be equals to 1 by 5, and r will turn out to be equals to 20. So you have a 20% is as the value of r is what you are talking about. Now, how many years are required for the investment to exceed 20,000? So 4,000 multiplied by 1 plus r by 100 to the power of n must turn out to be greater than or equals to 20,000 is what the question is talking about. So 4,000 will cancel this and it will become 5. And the value of r was 20. So what are we trying to find out? We are trying to say 1.2 to the power of n should be greater than or equals to 5. Now this question from here on, either we'll have to use our calculators to find out the answer, or we will have to look at a lot of approximation to find out the answer. On the CAT paper, you have your calculators available. I understand it is a time consuming process. So instead of taking 1.2 to the power of n, I know I can by heart this thing that 12 square is 144. So that becomes 1.44. So instead of using that, just take 1.44 multiplied by 1.44. That will make it 4 years. Multiplied by 1.44, that will make it 6. Multiplied by 1.44, that will make it 8. And when you multiply this by 1.2, this will at this point exceed the value of 5. And hence it will take 9 years to get this done. Now there's no other way out to approximate this. So I would suggest that we look at the calculators and get that question done. Yes, it is going to take a bit of time, but we can't really help it beyond that.